In Malaysia, keeping workers safe and healthy at their jobs is super important, and it's something the law takes seriously. We're talking about the Occupational Safety and Health Act of 1994, also known as OSHA. This law is all about making sure workplaces are safe so that everyone can go home without getting hurt or sick. Let's dive into what this law means, why it matters to both bosses and workers, and how it helps keep everyone safe at work. Back in the day, work accidents were happening a lot, and people realized we needed a solid plan to make workplaces safer. That's where OSHA came in. It was a game changer, shifting the focus from just dealing with accidents after they happened to preventing them in the first place. OSHA lays out the rules for keeping workplaces safe. It talks about the responsibilities of bosses to make sure the workplace is safe and healthy, setting up safety committees, and what needs to happen if an accident does occur. Under OSHA, bosses need to do everything they can to keep the workplace safe. This means giving the right training, tools, and attention to safety. Workers need to look out for themselves and others too, making sure they follow safety rules and speak up if something's not right. The Department of Occupational Safety and Health, or DOSH, is the watchdog for OSHA. They have inspectors who check workplaces to make sure everyone's following the rules. If the rules are broken, there can be big fines or even jail time. OSHA has made a big difference in making workplaces safer across Malaysia. It's helped cut down on accidents and made people more aware of how important safety is. The Occupational Safety and Health Act isn't just a bunch of rules. It's a promise to keep workers in Malaysia safe and healthy. Knowing about OSHA, workers can feel a lot safer at work. It's good to know there are rules that my boss has to follow to make sure we're all safe.